Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off AirPlay on iPhone. So without further ado, let's get started. So start by opening your settings app on your phone. And once you have opened that, simply tap on the general. And once you are in the general, simply scroll down a bit more and you will see a AirPlay and handoff. Simply tap on that. And at the very top, you will find the automatically AirPlay option. By default, it's usually set to automatic, which means your iPhone will try to connect to nearby AirPlay compatible device like a TV, MacBook, or another screen whenever they are detected. But to turn this off, you simply have to select Never if you don't want AirPlay to connect automatically at all. You can even choose Ask if you prefer to confirm the connection manually each time. And with this, now let's check any current AirPlay connection. Swipe down from the top right corner of your screen and open the control center. Look for screen mirroring button. It's the icon with overlapping rectangles. And if you are connected to a device, it will appear here. Now to disconnect, you can simply tap on that device name and your iPhone will stop mirroring that device. And if you don't see the screen mirroring option in your control center, you can simply add it. And here is how you can do it. Go back to the settings and tap on control center. Or you can simply scroll down to the more control section and find screen mirroring and tap the plus icon to add it. And now you can easily manage your AirPlay connection directly from the control center whenever you need it to. And that's it. With these simple steps, you can turn off AirPlay on your iPhone and control when and how it connects to nearby device. If this video was helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.